Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do faux bangs with a high messy bun while using one pack of braiding hair. All of the products that I used for this style were literally less than $10 at my local beauty supply store. As always, I'm going to be using coconut eco styler gel to slick up my hair and slick my edges, and I'm also going to be using Soul Sister braiding hair level 2 because I do have dark brown hair. To get started, I'm going to begin brushing my hair into a tight ponytail so my hair stays laid and doesn't shift throughout the day. You also want to make sure that your hair is not too wet because since it'll be wrapped up in a bun, it might start to smell. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush out my edges with a soft bristle wave brush and slick down any extra flyaways throughout my whole head with my toothbrush and my gel. You can wrap up your hair however you would like, but I'm just going to take my hair, twist it as tight as I can, wrap it around so that it looks something like a bun at least, and I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to take an elastic rubber band and put the hair on top and pull one end of the rubber band through the other. Then I'm just going to wrap the elastic rubber band around my bun 2 times so that it's secure, but if you want to, you can do it once. Some people say they get a headache if they wrap it around too much, but I don't, so I'm going to wrap it around twice. Doing your edges with any hairstyle is completely optional. I wanted to do my edges just because I feel like I have a big forehead, and the way that I'm going to have my bangs, you're going to be able to see my edges. So some people, it's kind of controversial because some people ask me like, why did you do your edges if you're just going to cover them up with your bangs? Well, I did it because I wanted to and because that's how I like my hair to be. So whatever you want to do, you can do your edges or you don't have to, because depending on how thick you have your bangs, they will be covered up. Now I'm just going to pull out however much hair I want to have in my bang, and I'm going to play around with it and see if I want to add more or take away less. If you would like to have a thicker bang, you will pull out more hair from your ponytail. I don't really have a specific technique that I use to create my bun. I just know that I wanted it to have a messy vibe. So what I did was I took one half of the hair, scrunched it up, and wrapped it up with an elastic rubber band. And that is the same thing that I'm going to do with the other half of hair that I have. After I have my hair into a form of a bun, I go through with bobby pins and I shape and mold it to what I want it to look like. Okay, so now that I've finished perfecting my bun, I'm going to move on to my bangs. I'm going to cut off little by little and shape them how I like. I kind of wanted to have them longer on the sides and shorter in the middle. So as I go along, I'm going to flat iron them to make sure that it's just how I like it. I just want to say to make sure that when you're flat ironing your bangs, that your flat iron is on the lowest temperature possible, because if not, you are going to melt off your hair and it'll could potentially ruin your flat iron. Okay, so this is the final look, the fall bangs with a messy bun. If you found this video helpful for you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos by yours truly.